Hey everybody, I hope me not fall asleep. I have a little story to share with Uno. Let me tell you something. In a one deep rural community in a Jamaica near Makka Town. I don't know if none of you ever hear about Makka Town before. But the community they known for two things. One, it did grow up and full of whole heap of bush, overgrown bush. And one woman did live there named Miss Effie. So Miss Effie did have one bad temper. So Miss Effie have one little 14-year-old we live with her named Shania. And Shania get a worse, right? She experienced everything with Miss Effie. So Miss Effie said, Shania! You know, grandmother, all people that call Subanya could I hear her voice a bounce off of the zinc. Kind of them the time their zinc house them have. So the voice bounce right off of the zinc. You thief out the sugar and no left nothing for the tea. So Shania gets scared and say, I know me Miss Effie. I must see the ants, must see thief out the sugar and gone with it. So Miss Effie say, ants? So ants boil tea now? Take yourself out of my house before me make the ants them take you out too. So Shania start bawl and she grab her school bag, get 2 pieces of bread, 1 bottle of water, put it in the bag, and then guess what Shania do? Step outside in the night air, in the dark night. Me say, Shania start hear pure cricket outside. You know the cricket them chirp, 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 chirp. Pure that she hear. And you know what happened? Her foot lead her to one old cemetery. And the old cemetery, she not even didn't know so she reached the old cemetery until she saw one crack headstone and she saw one Rita show. But I tell you man, so Shania's heart start beat fast. Her heart a beat fast. Then she said, oh graveyard are not for people. Graveyard are for dopey. But there was nowhere else. There was a big cotton tree. One big cotton tree just cast one shadow over the graveyard. So she now decides, so you know what? I am going to sit or catch at the end of this grave. Shania spread out her uniform, pon the tombstone. You know what I talk. And she said, me sorry for whoever you be, but just give me one night. Me have to sleep here so tonight. Then she fall asleep and she hear one strange noise. It go clank, 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 and her eyes then flickered and she opened up her eyes. Then she whispered, a dopey, I must dopey this. Me say, Shania then hear one low voice. And the voice say, little girl, how you do yourself on my cousin grave? Shania ball out. And then she grab her bread like a weapon, like she want to take the bread. Remember she did put the 2 pieces of bread in the bag? So she want to take one of the bread to act like a weapon to protect herself. Then she realized that it is a little old man wearing one straw hat. So the man even did have a machete. So she was just thinking and there wondering what it is that she should do. So the old man said, don't make your heart jump out. Me not trouble you. Because, but may I tell you this, the real dopey them come out when the cock crow. Shania swallow her spit hard. Uncle, please no scare me. Miss Effie run me out and me no have nowhere to go. Me say, the man face gets soft. Effie, that old crocus bag, she did frighten me when me did small too. And then, in lean pan him machete, me can't make you sleep, yes sir. Come with me. And then the old man decided that he might go bring her to Miss Joanne's yard. And him assure her that Miss Joanne will take very good care of her, so she must not worry. So she decided to go with the old man. By the time the sun rise, Shania was doing well, very well, at Miss Joanne's yard because she was staying on the veranda. She was eating some fried dumpling and she was also drinking some bush tea. You know, so Miss Joanne treated her very well when she woke up in the morning. So news starts spread now into the community, and Miss Effie heard about what happened to Shania over the night. So Miss Effie come down to Miss Joanne's yard and I shout, Shania, Shania, come home before you bring down shame on me. Mind you bring down shame upon my name. So that's all Miss Effie interested in, you know. Miss Effie don't want Shania to bring down no shame upon her name. So when Miss Effie reach, Shania start laugh and Shania start grin. And Shania say to Miss Effie, me did just a test it up with them. Me did just a see if them nice or whatever it is. But them tell me say me welcome anytime. So Miss Effie get vexed now and her face turn red. And she start cuss and mumble, you know, when old people ready for cuss and mumble how them go on. And then she start talk about them nowadays picking here, how them this, them that, while they just pull Shania by her hair and just pull her. But deep down, Shania knew that she had faced her fears. She got through the stress already, she experienced everything already, and she also knew that Miss Effie had learned a lesson. She had learned a big lesson. But you know what happened though? Even though she had learned, both of them had learned their lesson. From that day, Shania never ever thief sugar again, because she would have known the consequences of stealing that sugar. Alright, so guys, if you like this story, remember to subscribe to the channel and continue watching. And if you need more story from Chat Jamaican, I will definitely upload some more stories for you. Alright, thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of